Hi guys, this is Chef Amrita Raichand and you're watching Parenting Through Quarantine with E-Times Lifestyle. Well, I understand that we are all in lockdown. I've been in lockdown for the last 2 weeks before this was officially announced. My Agastya school shut down also almost 2 weeks before that. So my original instinct was to put everybody in a schedule, to behave as if nothing has changed except for the fact that we're not stepping out of the house. And it worked and it's been working. But lately I feel that I think it's really important to connect with children on a different level, because maybe they are going through their own sense of insecurities, their own sense of uncertainty. Maybe they are as scared as we are, even though we feel that they're children and maybe they're too busy with their friends, even if it's online, or their books. I think somewhere this is affecting them also. And I have suddenly changed my attitude, and now what I want to really do is focus on spending time with him, doing more exciting things like playing carom with him, playing a game of cards, which is Uno in their case. I'm of course cooking a lot with him and he's thoroughly enjoying that. What I'm also doing is spending a lot of time talking with him. As a rule, I always used to speak to him 20 minutes before he went to bed. I would put him to bed, because I felt that even during school days, that was one time when a child really opens up to their parents. So that is a practice that I have always been following. But right now, that time has actually become even more important. Just talking to them and ensuring them that everything is okay and that we are in this together. I think that is really the need of the hour today. So guys, I understand that it must be very important for us to ensure that children don't lag behind in studies when they go back to school. But I think right now, what is really, really more important is that they don't lag behind mentally. So be there for them, hug them a lot more, kiss them a lot more. Well, with your own children, I think you can, even in the times of quarantine and even with the virus fear. I think the need of the hour is to really, really be there for them in the true sense. And today we can't even complain of not having the time to do so, right?